Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install the Checklists plugin on a Windows operating system that has Bitnami stack Redmine. So the very first thing that you have to do is to just download your Checklists plugin Pro version from your license manager. However, if you use the light free version of the plugin, then you have to download it from our site, that is redmineup.com, and go to our plugins list here and then click on Checklists. Alright, then you have to click on download now and download here. Then you have to set your email address and please don't forget to check the terms and conditions. Otherwise, the plugin will be not sent to your email address. Alright, so let's go with the installation guide. The first thing that you have to do is to just start your Redmine Bitnami stack. It is from your folder and then Redmine. In our case, it is the latest by the current moment, that is Redmine 5. And then you have to open Manager Windows. Okay, here on the Manage Servers tab, you have to click on Start All. So your web server as well as the database are going to start. Alright, everything is running now, so let's go and see what's going on. This is my Redmine Bitnami on my local computer, that's why it's localhost. It is for testing. So Redmine and Bitnami needs some time to start, so we have to refresh a couple of times. Alright, so we see that our Redmine is now started. And when we go to the information, we see our currently installed plugins. However, when we finish the current video today, we are going to have Checklist plugin installed here. Alright, so let's proceed further. Let's go back to the downloads folder where we have downloaded the plugin and extract the archive. Okay, this is our plugin now. So we copy it and then go to the Redmine folder again. Here you have to select Apps folder, Redmine, htdocs and Plugins. Here please paste the plugin. Alright, now let's go back to the core Redmine folder and open this file. It is use Redmine. Alright, and here you have to change the directory to apps Redmine htdocs. Alright, now you have to execute bundle install. This command is going to install all the required gems for the Checklists plugin. Okay, and the next command that you have to execute is the migration. So it is done with bundle exec rake Redmine plugins Rails and production. Alright, so we wait for the migration to be processed. It will take maybe 10 or 15 seconds. Okay, so we wait. Alright, so the migration has just started. Okay, our migration is now done. So the very last step that we have to do is to just restart everything. So we return back to our Bitnami Redmine manager window and click on Restart All. So the database as well as the web server is going to be restarted. Alright, we are still waiting. Great, so now everything is running. So let's go back to our Redmine and just refresh the page. Okay, so the Redmine needs some time for the restarting and starting again. So we refresh again. Alright, some more time needed, so we refresh once again. Okay, so our Redmine is now started. So we see that the Checklists plugin is now appearing in our list here. We have successfully installed Checklist plugin on a Bitnami stack installed on Windows operating system. So, thank you very much for watching this video and see you into the next ones. Bye bye for now.